What's up everybody, Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash, Salisbury, Maryland. So for those of you who are not in the marketing mafia, well actually you'll probably see the actual video once we get it finished and all. I told Gary that I was going to do something epic for the 1-year anniversary of, or the first birthday, as I like to refer to it, for the marketing mafia. And I think I did. Actually, I don't think I did. I know I did. We have a very dirty, north-facing wall under this on Route 50, going under Route 13, kind of where they intersect in town. And so I decided to go ahead and clean part of it. In what we'll call clean graffiti or wash graffiti or whatever, I don't know. I mean, it was like a solid black wall, and I put a big smiley face. I wrote "Hi" with an exclamation point. I heart SBY, which is Salisbury. I did that yesterday, so then I went back today because multiple people were like, well, why didn't you put your phone number and your name there? Yeah, good point. So I went down there this morning, wrote Clean Power Wash, put our phone number there. Finishing up, getting a couple videos and stuff, did the video of us doing the work, or of me doing the work and whatnot. And then the police department shows up. Wah, wah. It's all good. I got the videos, not in trouble. And the irony too about it is, if they ever were to try and, well, you've defaced property. No, I really haven't. I took something that was dirty and I just cleaned parts of it. By no means am I going to have to clean the whole wall or anything like that. And if I do, I'll let you guys know. But I wouldn't even care if I had to. I got an awesome picture and video out of it. This will go viral. It will give me PR that's well worth whatever there. I mean, it's just awesome. I'm super excited about that, guys. That's the kind of stuff that's just so outside the box that it is. And I honestly, I turned what I had to use a surface cleaner to cover up my Clean Power Wash and the phone number, but I was able to leave the rest of it. The officer was pretty cool, because we started talking about all the community stuff that I do too, just random cleanings and all, and she can't condone it, of course, but again, it's so much fun to do that, guys. I know you've got to have something extremely dirty in your town that would benefit from cleaning, that nobody's probably ever going to pay to have it cleaned. Go do it. Document it. Video it. Put it on your page. And do that 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. You will see long-lasting benefits from doing that. And it makes you feel pretty good, too. I mean, we're in this business to clean dirty stuff. And to get paid for it. So, I also, for some of you may have seen, we cleaned like this, I don't know, like 5 by 5 foot hut for the ferry operator, and I got a pretty decent video out of that as well, and I actually already have an estimate to do that, from what she's describing we need to do, is going to be a $500 to $1,000 job. Guys, when people call me from seeing these things, it's an easy close. I mean, these people have seen us. They think that we're awesome. They love what we're doing. And that's the guy I want to have clean our house. Yep. So we do that and keep growing. And again, the video will be out there forever, regardless of, again, whenever the city has to clean the rest of it up, or if they leave it there. Again, I'm good friends with the mayor, so we'll get him to share this. It's going to be pretty awesome once we get it all done. So anyways, have a great day, guys.